Hey dancers, well, let's do Senorita La-la-la, okay? So lovely dance, so let's give it a try. We're gonna start with a rock cha-cha, starting with your right foot. You're going to rock forward, recover, shuffle back or cha-cha back, rocks back, whoopsie, recover, find your balance, shuffle forward with the left. You're going to bring the right foot forward to pivot, quarter turn those toes. You're gonna shuffle right to the front. Now you're going to turn another quarter turn. You're going to step on your left, turn with the right, and now you're going to cross back, step. It's kind of like a little vine, 4 steps there. So let's do it up to there. Here comes your rock cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha back, rock, recover, shuffle to the front. Pivot, body weight on left, shuffle forward on your right foot, and now we're going to walk 1, turn 2, back 3 and 4. Excellent. Now of course you are now on the other side of the screen, so I'm going to turn even though we are on this wall so you can see the next steps. So the next step, what you're going to do, you're going to open, drag to the left side of your body. So you drag, bring that foot together for a cellular, which is 1 and 2 and 3, or a weave, I should say. My bad, sorry. So again, you're going to slide, then you're going to go back for a little 1, 2, 3, which is kind of like a little weave. Back, open, and then forward. You do it again. Slide to the left and drag, goes back, step forward. Okay, so make sure it's a lot of traveling on this dance, right? So let's do it again. Slide, hold, 1 and 2 and 3, slide in, 1 and 2 and 3. You're going to now rock again to that left, recover on right wall, facing to your right shoulder. You're going to bring the left forward for a step lock, and then you're going to do 4 steps forward walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the dance is done. However, like I said again, that is done opposite wall. So when you're practicing, you have to kind of look at me this way to know what you're doing, right? But we do another wall so you can see it as well. So here we go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, cha-cha, back. 1, 2, 3, rock, back, cha-cha, forward. Okay? Pivot to the left, shuffle forward. Walk 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the slide. Slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. Slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. You're going to rock to the left, recover on right while turning right. Forward lock with the left, and now 4-step walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this wall so we can see all these moves as well, and we can see each other. All right, ready? I'm gonna rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. You're going to bring that right foot, pivot, quarter turn to the left, shuffle forward with the right. You're going to walk to the left again 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here comes that slide. You're going to slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. Again, slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. Rock to the left. Recover by facing to your right. 2 lefts forward. And now 4-step walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do this wall. So you're going to be able to do the slide with me at the back, right? So you're facing the other wall so you can practice. So here comes your right foot goes forward for that cha-cha. Rock forward, cha-cha back, shuffle, rock back, shuffle forward, right foot forward, pivot to your left, shuffle right forward. And here we go, walking around to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's the slide. Slide, 1, 2, 3. Slide and drag, 1, 2, 3. Rock, recover, turn to the right, 2 steps left, and 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There it is. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, turn right, 3 and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's do this wall. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turn left. Shuffle forward 3 and 4. Walk left 5, 6, 7, and slide. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock to the right. Shuffle left. Walk 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Have fun.